Sangguniang Bayan, dated April 20, 2026. That according to our rules, that in the absence of the presiding officer, any member of the preside decision, provided it will be sanctioned or elected by the members in majority. Now the table is open for any nomination to preside a session. Any nomination?
Abot na ito.
Matubig sa iba.
Dua ka bok, dua ka bok.
To preside a session, any second?
Sige ako.
Nominated and seconded that Honorable Salimbang preside a session. Table is open.
Okay, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Facing the internal rules and procedure of the 13th Sangguniang Bayan, Article 4, Section 1, states that every Monday is our regular session day at SB Session Hall or within the municipality of Talang. Today, April 26, Monday, April 20, I stand corrected. At 10:27 in the morning, I do hereby call to order. We stand for the Lord's Prayer and we stand for our national